Hello, good morning to all the AVPL fans and AVPL players. Thank you for all the love and support for this AVPL interview. We are hitting season 4 and with me, AVPL Women's Champion Pallavi and Supriya. Welcome ladies to our interview series. Alright. So the first question for you, which is in general that I would like to understand from you, that you were into sports or cricket before AVPL from childhood, or?
So first of all, thank you Kaushik for having us here. Definitely not cricket, but yes, sports. So I've been playing sports from my childhood. I've been a state kabaddi player.
Oh, is it?
And yes. So my mom always wanted me to be a kabaddi player and progress in that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know whether it's unfortunate or fortunate that I got to participate in AVPL, and I did not know that I play this well until last year. So yeah, it was definitely team effort, and yeah, so these are the sports. And apart from this, yes, badminton as well. So I have won a couple of corporate tournaments. Yeah, so this is my journey in sports, I would say.
Nice. Somebody is a kabaddi champion, and there is a reason of someone having a dislocated shoulder. All right. So Pallavi, same question for you.
Yeah, even I was a athletic champion in my school days, college days. I have won 5 to 6 trophies and champions for athletics, and I was a district level badminton player.
Okay.
Kho cluster meets used to play. I was school cluster meets and all. So I was very good, and I was the captain for many group events also. So sports is my childhood memory, and it is. I want to continue that passion also. I was very lucky actually to that AVPL is happening and women's AVPL was introduced. So first match I couldn't play. Now it started to continue, and I am very happy for that also.
Good. Kho, kabaddi, athletics. I mean, there is a reason these ladies are performing well in our AVPL. All right. So I think it would be very apt to ask you this question because you were involved in sports not because of AVPL, even before that. If you see in Indian context, Indian ladies, I feel that they don't put enough effort to get involved in any kind of sport, and especially after marriage, right? Would you agree to that? Do you see that in Western countries or in countries like Australia and where sports is more encouraged, the women are more involved into sports and Indian women do not get into it?
I would definitely agree with that point totally. So women need to put more effort in sports. First of all, the recognition itself is very less when compared to what they're giving men these days. So I think with WPL coming into picture, and they even won last tournament, so I think they are making somewhere I think it's encouraging other women also to take part. And I see even a lot of women in our grounds also coming and playing cricket.
Yeah.
So we used to never see that happen before. So I think it is somewhere motivating most of us. And when it comes to effort, yes, they need to put a lot of effort, and we would like to see more women participation and probably give a good competition to men as well.
Yes.
So that is something that we would look forward to.
Yeah, and we know in one house there is a competition. Yes,
no, not in one house. There is many houses we have competition.
At least you two. Yeah. At least you two. Yeah.
Yes, actually, women coming out of the house and playing for their me time is very, very difficult.
Yes, we can.
We have to put a lot of pressure, efforts, and come because you will have so many obstacles in front of you. Either child will be crying or husband will be taking khana do, ye do, that's all it will continue. So after marriage, actually for me it was very difficult to come out of that place, but somehow I could manage, and I have seen ladies also coming out and playing. Actually, a big thank you to Reshma, I will tell.
Yeah.
She is my motivation.
Reshma
I can say that.
Room? Oh, she's here.
Because I see her after so much of things she's involved.
Yes.
She'll come out, she'll do so many things. I thought I also can try like her. I am just trying. So it is there actually. It's very difficult for a woman to come out and play, and removing all the obstacles and
True.
It's actually very difficult.
Yeah, I mean in Indian context where the household things most importantly stays with the woman, even if the man in the house wants to help.
Yes.
But we have that mentality, we have that culture. Even if your man supports you,
Yes, exactly.
the primary person responsible for a household is the lady in the house,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, yes.
So for that, yeah, it is difficult. But I think you guys are example, Reshma including and Shalini, people like that who come out and try to participate in sports, cricket, and who do extraordinary performance, right? Right. So yeah, of course, you are example of that. So all right, good answer. With that, we'll have our first break. Thank you.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave him, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave him, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while.
After the break, we'll head into the next section. So Supriya, question for you. When I see you are playing in any AVPL match, it looks effortless for you. Ridiculous shots. I mean, where all the fielders are on one side and you just flick it, play a reverse shot, and the goes for a boundary. Do you think that AVPL standard is not up to the mark for you? You are a little tougher than the other girls?
I wouldn't say, I mean, it's a 50-50. I mean, first of all, I should say thank you to the bowlers. There were difficult bowling as well. I think Shalini and Snigdha, they were bowling really good. I think it just fell, I think it was probably my luck that day. And I did not have in mind that I was going to do any reverse shots. It just started that because I saw the balls going that way. Then I thought, okay, let me just touch it.
Yeah.
And it just started going that way. So that became a good strategy for me to win the match.
I don't know. I should try to replay that. I was the umpire, and the other captain put all the 5 players or 6 players on one side because Supriya was consistently hitting all the boundaries that side. Okay, and then the bowler came, balled the ball. Then Supriya decided, forget it, and she played a reverse and effortlessly played another boundary on the other side. And there were no fielders, of course. So, yeah, and I don't know if the wicket keeper is watching this interview. Coming to you, Pallavi, I have seen you. You have captained in AVPL season 8 and 9, right? And in that, you used to bat, used to bowl, used to field, and you're an amazing fielder. And of course, you guys don't play cricket every time, so you had to fall or dive down, and it was physically very challenging for you. I could see that you were limping, and then you again coming into the bowl. What do you say about your experience about this last AVPL? It was really tough for you. Did you enjoy? How did you motivate yourself after getting injured again, coming and playing and outperforming everybody?
Yeah, actually, it was difficult for at that moment of time. But when we won the first match, it was very we got a good feedback from our team players, and we were. It was motivating us. Since we won that match, and we cannot lose the other 2 matches. It was like that. And since it was as it was my second captainship, and before that when I was a captain, we lost that match.
Yes.
Which was and after that I saw many ladies dropping out from playing.
Yes.
And so I personally went to so many ladies and I forcefully asked them to play. We will win this time. So the motivation was good, and we did a hard work as well. I cannot more that. After doing so much of work in the house and leaving the kids, we used to go triples to play. No, we went triples actually, and it was like हमें नहीं मिल रहा है, कैसे जाएंगे, कैसे आना. So I used मैं drop करके आती थी, or somebody Tripura I used to arrange some vehicles, and we were going. So it was a hard work, I can say, basically, and the motivation what we got of winning, and the support from the ladies who were playing and who are going to play. So it was actually, I can say in one word, it's very motivating to play that. And though I got the pain, but I thought if I bend down and I don't play, my team should not lose that.
Right.
And that was my major concern. So how much I play, let me give the best. It's only 1 match. Later I can take rest.
True. Thank you for giving us that information. It is not only about the match, about the AVPL. What is important is what happens before AVPL, and all these things that you told. used to drive in triple and go for practice, and you must be requesting people, please come for practice, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, this performance would not have been possible.
Yes, sir.
And after that, your commitment was amazing. I could see you especially limping your way to the trophy. And yeah, I mean, for Supriya, it was effortless. On the other side, for you, you are not only thinking about your game, you are thinking about the entire team. Okay, and there were some challenges about the rules and asking questions. Okay, and then you were high on your spirits because you are playing. Okay, and that time you were relatively calmer than others, and I would appreciate you for that. And at the end, I would request थोड़ा सा umpires के ऊपर थोड़ा सा faith रखो, दया रखो. Okay, it's a very difficult job. We don't have technology to support. The international umpires have technology to support, right? So I cannot do like this. It's not I mean, whoever is the umpire. But yeah, I can feel it. All right, so that was this section, and with that, we'll take a break. Thank you. Alright, welcome back to the next section of this interview. We have Supriya and Pallavi with us. First question to Supriya. Supriya, your mic, okay. Supriya, the question is, you have seen Sanju's catch in the last AVPL. That catch changed the entire game. I hope you have seen that catch. You were
Yes,
there
yes,
that time.
yes, I was
What
there.
did you feel about it?
I mean, yeah, it was really nice that he puts his heart and soul while playing the match. So he doesn't care what his wife says, what his parents says. He does what he wants to do, even today. So that is there. I mean, it's nice that he does what he loves, which is
Yes.
good. I think we all have to do that. Yeah, I mean, but sometimes I feel he needs to have some control over his body, because when he gets injured, ultimately it's his wife that needs to take care of him. So we are at risk that way. Because every time he plays and comes, he'll be like, okay, I twisted my ankle today, I twisted my thumb, and all of this. And even now, I think even today, he's still going for some physio for some 4 weeks. He's getting ready for the APL season 10. So, yeah, it's nice to see all his dedication and effort. I mean, yeah, the catch was ultimate. I think everybody is very much impressed with the game after his change in his physical
Yes, yeah,
fitness
true,
as well.
true.
So, yeah, that's there.
That was a revelation, and we have covered that in Sanju's interview. But you will accept that Sanju is slightly more popular in AVPL and in our
Definitely,
society.
definitely. And everybody's eyes are on him.
Yeah, so all that men love that you have for Sanju, do you think there is a competition that who is more popular in the family? Because you are also a good player and you also play good.
Definitely it is him, because his family will love him first. That is there. But yeah, I mean, I had one kind of a disappointment with last season was because of the rain. We just decided both the teams are winning. I mean, we should have given a good competition and won the match.
Yes,
that would have been
yes.
more satisfying. So that is always there. I hope this time you guys will win. So I mean, Spartans will win.
Spartans will win. Yeah.
Shit, I told that. Sorry, Rajesh.
That's for you, Rajesh.
Yeah.
But you know, Supriya, before you, I obviously knew Sanju, and I don't know. In some life, we were brothers. We have not played that much together, but whatever we have played or organized things, there is some kind of affection that is there in between him. But after I got to know you, definitely, I would say that you are a fantastic person, and your contribution towards sports or your encouragement towards sports, okay, that somehow definitely helps him also to always stay fit, come and perform. So yeah, I mean, congratulations and thanks for that.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Yeah. Coming to Pallavi, So Pallavi, your entire family is into AVPL and cricket, right? Your husband and your son, of course, your son is a fantastic player and consistently playing good cricket. So if I ask that if he chooses to go into sports and cricket as a profession, are you fine with that? How do you see if your kid goes into cricket or any sport?
Yeah, I will be very happy because my dream was to become a sports person, but
Okay.
the scope was not that much. We were into a very small place.
Okay.
It's in Odisha, Koraput is a very small place where
Okay,
there were no
alright.
scopes at all to move. But still, since we were into CBSE schools and the school was good, so we got some chances to play in the cluster meets and all. So I'll definitely want my son to go in sports, which is very much needed in this period of time. Rather to go into this digital world, if he goes
Yes.
something physical,
Right.
it's actually a very good path for him.
Yeah.
But parallelly, I see that it is very difficult if he chooses cricket in his career because we don't know where the cricket will take him.
Okay.
Nowadays, competitions are a lot. Only thing we can do is I can give him more practice
Yeah.
and he can go for tournaments. He is also going, which he will continue.
He's already going.
Definitely, I'll support him and no doubt in that.
Yeah, and I'm sure the way he sees, he watches his mother playing and captaining a side, leading a side, it encourages him a lot.
Yes.
But
Absolutely.
yeah,
He was very happy when he knew that I was the captain for women's AVPL. He's like,
Oh, yeah.
"You are the captain, Mama. I will support you. My entire team will support you." So
of course,
yeah.
of course. When you see your mom and dad leading something, you feel your mom and dad as a superhero, right?
Yes, yes.
So that's an amazing feeling. But Pallavi, you have a fantastic attitude when you play, when you are on the ground. Okay, if that your son inculcates, it would be a very good thing. He becomes a sports person or not in future is a different thing. But the attitude that you have on the field, that will help in any field that he goes, right? And I'm sure he will definitely learn from you. But yeah, I'll have to say that attitude is something that keeps AVPL in AVPL what it is now.
Thank you so much, Kaushik.
Now he's also junior captain.
Oh, of course, he's
Oh
the
yeah,
captain
my
now.
son is junior captain. He is competing with me. You are the captain. I am the captain. So I told we'll get 2 cups this time.
Very nice.
Then he's telling
all
you
the
will
best.
keep here. I will keep here.
Best wishes. You will.
Expect
All right.
so.
All right. So after that, a small quiz for you, ladies. Answer is not there, so don't look there. All right. So first AVPL first
Together,
AVPL women's. Okay, woman of the match. All right. First match. First woman of the match. Any guess who it was? First Supriya.
First match, right?
First AVPL match.
I think it was Shalini.
Your guess? It is not Shalini.
I was actually not aware of that match.
Mike.
I was,
Let me.
But
check a
guess.
second.
Shailaja?
No. Quick one? No guess? No other guess?
Latika?
No, not Latika. Harita was the first woman of the
Oh.
match. Okay. Yes.
Bhul-
All right. Pallavi, next question. In the last season, who was the highest scorer?
Supriya.
Sure.
Sure.
It is. And for you, next question. Can you give the mic?
Oh, I don't know my own.
I don't know. It was from your team or from the other team, but who was the highest wicket taker in AVPL women last season?
Pallavi.
I tried to confuse you, but it is Pallavi. All right. So with that, we'll break from this section and we'll come back. Thank you.
शादी के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स या किसी भी पर्सनल क्वेरीज के बारे में
करियर या प्रमोशन को लेकर, स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ को लेकर,
फैमिली रिलेशनशिप के लिए,
अगर आप भी अपने ट्रैवल प्लान्स के बारे में,
अपने बिजनेस एक्सपांशन को लेकर,
अपने फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड
हेल्थ के बारे में,
लव रिलेशन से लेकर या शादी से लेकर कोई भी सवाल मुझसे पूछना चाहते हैं
तो आप मुझसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं
एस्ट्रो
एस्ट्रो
लाइफ
लाइफ
पर।
पर।
Welcome back to the last segment of our AVPL interview series, first episode of season 4. We have Pallavi and Supriya with us. Ladies, you have been fantastic in this interview. Some very nice and funny answers, really engaging. Thank you for that. At the last, I would like to know that, so from all these seasons that you have played, what was the most memorable moment of AVPL? Supriya, you can start.
Cricket is something that I started playing after I came to AV, right? So with
Yeah.
AVPL. So I think the first tournament which I played with Shalini as the captain, I was the wicket keeper. I never thought that I could do that well wicket keeping. I didn't let go of even a single ball. So I think that was a very nice achievement for me and good memory. I think even Venkat appreciated me for being a very good wicket keeper. It was a nice.
Even
nice
Venkat,
feeling.
I mean, who else?
I mean, it was nice coming from Venkat because
Of course.
he's. Yeah, so that was a very nice memory for me.
Good.
I know my husband wanted me to say lifting the cup. But,
Okay.
lifting the cup happens.
His cup
when
or
you-
your cup?
My cup, not his cup. But I want to share a funny moment as well in the last season where we had almost 4 batsmen in the crease.
Okay.
I didn't know who is running and who is batting.
No, that is because of the runners. Because of the runners.
Once I saw both the people running at once, it felt like Coco.
Okay.
So that was one funny moment. Yeah.
Women's cricket and it's fun.
Yeah.
Pallavi,
And that
you?
was a fight also.
Yeah.
We asked Kaushik, you were only the umpire that day. And we are asking who is running, who is coming for play, who is the batsman.
Well, my umpiring chronicles will have its own story someday. Pallavi, and your answer to your fondest memory of AVPL.
This was my second AVPL.
Okay.
Actually, but in this I can say of course the cup is one of the greatest memory, but my son was the happiest person at that point of time when I got the cup, because he lost and his dad was also playing AVPL. Both of
okay.
them lost at that point, and he came to me and said, you have to take the cup because my friends should not tell me that we lost.
As a family.
And I was like, why? It's okay. Somebody will lift. It's okay. You should not be in so much pain. No, we lost this time. Mavericks cannot lose.
Yeah.
So it became a challenge for me, saying ki, if my son is wanting something, I should get for him. And we got, and when I lifted the cup, he came near me, he hugged me so tightly and he told, Mama, this is what I was wanting, and everyone is now saying she's your mom, she's your mom. So that was a very good moment for me.
Amazing feeling to be a super mom,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Savior of the family at the last and finally got the cup. Good one, Pallavi. So we will end our interview with a very nice segment that we want to introduce in our AVPL. That is, whenever somebody comes to our interview, we would want them to speak about their state or their hometown, so that through AVPL we also encourage the Indian diversity. Alright, so yeah, you can start, Pallavi, as you're holding the mic. You can talk about your place.
I belong to a state, Odisha.
Yeah,
Odisha, everyone is famous for Lord Jagannath. If we say Odisha, it's Lord Jagannath.
true.
It's a land of temples. And one more thing in Odisha, if people know Odisha, it is because of Lord Jagannath and because of the hockey.
Yeah,
Odisha is sponsoring in terms of sports.
true.
So Odisha is a very good state with very good people
Right.
and food. So cultural heritage is very good in Odisha. So I think everyone should some or the other day visit Odisha, see the temples we have, whatever temples we have there. It's called the temple city of Odisha. Also Bhubaneswar is the capital, which is also known as the temple city of Odisha.
True. Good answer, Pallavi. Yeah. Supriya.
So I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a localite here,
Alright.
Karnataka. So pretty famous in Bangalore. I think traffic. So
Apart from that.
we have all been through traffic. Yeah, I think Bangalore. I would talk about people very welcoming.
Yes.
I think they help each other. People coming from other states, I think they make them feel homely. I mean, you guys.
Of course, that's why we
should
all are here.
share mutual, yeah. So that is one thing. Apart from that, I would say we hardly find our own people here.
Yes.
So I would say food. Food is something that we enjoy here. What else? I think I would say Bangalore is again a very diverse city compared.
Yes.
When you talk about India as a diverse diversity, so I think Bangalore is more
Yes.
because of IT being
True.
the center here. Yeah, I think that's it.
Why not the weather?
Weather, yeah, weather. I was going to say weather probably couple of years back, but not now.
Not
as
now.
you know, it's
Relatively not.
getting yes.
But still, Bangalore is Bangalore.
Bangalore, yeah. I mean, you don't know when it's going to rain, when it's going to be hot. So
Yes, true.
That's there. It's always a very surprising weather in Bangalore.
True. True. Our lovely Bangalore.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Supriya. Thank you, Pallavi. It was great to have you here in our interview, and thanks for giving time. I really enjoyed interviewing you. That's all from the episode 1 of our AVPL interview series 4. See you in the next episode. Thank you, guys.